Hello kids, today we are going to learn clay modeling and we are going to make sea creatures with the help of clay. So for that we need these all things. I am having 4 clay balls. You can use kneaded dough which your mama used to make chapatis. So that dough you can use for clay modeling also. Now here I am having blue sketch pen. You can use any blue color, and I am having one paper on which I am going to do the artwork, and one glue bottle which will help us to stick the artwork on our paper. So firstly I am drawing some sea waves on the paper. So I am drawing waves. You can fill blue color completely to make it like sea. Okay, so now I'm taking one clay ball, rolling it on my palm. Now I am going to press it with the help of my palm. Now I am moving clay slightly towards this side and again pressing it. Now I am going to pinch it from the upper side and from the lower side also. Again I am going to flat it. Now giving it proper shape of fish. Now pressing it slightly from the front part also. So it will look like this. So like this we can make fishes, and we can add character to the fish with the help of any pen or pencil which you have. So I am pinching it to make eye. Now I am tapping it continuously to make scales. So like this it will look like fish. Okay, so the first one is fish. Once again I am going to make one more fish. Again rolling clay ball on my palm and flattening it like this. Now moving it towards the side and flattening it again. Now I am pinching it from the upper side and from the lower side also. So like this you can give shape of fish properly, and we will flat it like this. You can continue this movement till you will not get proper fish. So now our shape is ready. So I'm going to add some features. Same as previous, we are going to make scales like this. So our fishes are ready. Now we are going to make octopus. So for octopus we need one ball and some little balls also. So I am dividing clay ball into some parts. So now I am going to roll the large one. I am rolling it on my palm. Now pressing it with the help of palm. So now this is the face of octopus which is ready. Now I will take these small parts and I will roll it like this. So with the help of this movement you will get one long pattern which will look like tentacles or legs. As we all have hands and legs, octopus have tentacles and they have 8 arms. So we will make octopus and we will join it. We will press it firmly with the face. So like this you will complete your artwork by putting all the legs together. So here we are making sea creatures with the help of clay. It is very easy. So I am adding their arms one by one. So like this I am making different arms. So like this you will continue and join all 8 legs. Then it will get completed. You can try many more sea creatures like corals, turtles. Many more things are there in sea. You can explore all the things. So like this body of our octopus is ready. Now I am going to make their 2 eyes. So it will look like this, and I am making one smiley face also. So now next creature which I am making is starfish. Again I am rolling clay ball on my palm, flattening it as much as possible so it will look like this. Now I am going to make its hand and head. So it is a starfish, so it is having star shape. So first is we will move clay with the help of my finger and palm, with the help of my finger and my thumb towards the upper side. Now their head is complete. Now going to move this side. So like this we will do 5 times. So 1 is completed, 2 is completed. Now 3rd time I am going to stretch it with the help of my finger and my thumb. Now again 2 are remaining. So from here I am stretching it like this. Now 1 more time. So it will look like this, but still it is not completed. So what we are going to do, we will flat it up with the help of our palm like this. So continue this process till you will get proper shape. So now it is looking like starfish. So here it is completed. Now it is looking like starfish. You can flat it. Okay, so now I am keeping it here, and again I am going to make 2 eyes, and we can just make dots like this, so it will look real. It will get proper texture of starfish. And after getting dry, you can stick it on paper to complete our sea. So when you make all these sea creatures, you will let them dry, and after getting dry you will stick it on the sea. So It will really look amazing. So I hope you will try it at your home, and definitely you will share the videos and the photographs to your teachers. Thank you.